Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the new Dress to Impress Easter set. So as you can see, here are my emojis on the leaderboard. Your emojis will also be different from mine, and like the number corresponding to that emoji will also be different. So for mine, I need rabbit, 2 chocolates, a rainbow, and an egg. So my egg emoji is here and it equals to 3. Then for my bunny emoji, it's here. Oops, as you can see, it equals to 2. And again, placing will be different for everyone. So that's 2 in the lobby. I do have to go to the free play server to find the rest. Okay, hold on. So my codes my emojis in the free play area, there's one here. So rainbow is a 4. And we just need chocolate, which is up here on the ceiling. It's a 5. Rabbit, 2 chocolates, a rainbow, and an egg. That would be 2, 5, 5. And then 4, 3, if I'm not mistaken. And this is what you'll get. This is everything you'll get. So this, and that. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.